In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop ChatGPT from agreeing with you. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you want ChatGPT to stop agreeing with everything you put in, there are a few ways to make responses more balanced and critical instead of overly supportive. So here's what usually works best for me. So I've jotted these down. So you want to be direct in your prompts. So you want to try saying things like challenge my idea. Don't just agree with me. Give counter arguments. Act like a very skeptical reviewer. Point out flaws and risk and debate me instead of validating me. So every prompt you have, just go ahead and give one of these little short paragraphs or sentence, with your prompt, and then that's going to go ahead and stop ChatGPT replying or agreeing with you all the time. So for example, I've got this question here. I'm thinking of quitting school to become a full-time creator. Don't agree automatically. Analyze the risk and argue both sides. So now this is going to give you your pros and cons for this question. So basically you just want to go ahead and not say, is this a good idea? Because they're probably going to agree with you. You want to be critical. You want critical thinking here from ChatGPT.